RTX 4090, the only review you'll ever need. Welcome back to our tech studios. We all know technology is constantly evolving, so graphics cards are no different. That's why you need to stay up to date on the latest gaming trends and products. That's where the RTX 4090 comes in. It's the world's first wave graphics card that uses artificial intelligence to optimize your gaming experience. So, what are the benefits of using the RTX 4090? Well, for one, the card is incredibly efficient, meaning you'll be able to game for longer durations with less impact on your system. The card has several innovative features that will improve your gaming experience, like Game Sync and FreeSync too. If you're looking for a graphics card that will give you an edge over the competitors, the RTX 4090 is the card for you. This tri-pass video processing card offers advanced image stabilization, 4K decoding and encoding, and much more, making it a great choice for gaming, professional use, or content creation. With its great performance and amazing features, the RTX 4090 is a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their graphics card. Want to know more interesting facts about the RTX 4090? If yes, stay tuned with us, and don't skip the video. So let's begin. Let's start by knowing what the RTX 4090 is. Basically, if you're in the market for a new 4K display, the RTX 4090 is a great option to consider. This monitor has the highest resolution of any graphics card on the market and can handle intense gaming sessions flawlessly. Not to mention, it's perfect for computer enthusiasts who want to build the experienced graphics card possible. So if you're already looking for a new 4K monitor, be sure to check it out. How is this graphics card evolving the scenario? Video quality is a big issue for a lot of people. Whether you're a content creator or viewer, you'll know it's important to find technology that can improve your video experience. That's where the RTX 4090 comes in. It's video processing technology that helps improve video quality and performance. In short, using RTX 90 can make your videos clearer, smoother, and more stable. ATI's new RTX 4090 graphics card is a powerful addition to any computer system. It has a fast rendering speed that allows you to produce content quickly and efficiently. Not to mention, the benefits of using RTX 4090 are clear and substantial. The target audience for RTX 4090 is gamers and PC builders who want the best graphics performance possible. A smooth, lag-free experience for users on any device or platform suitable for gamers and PC builders. Some rumors are coming out about the RTX 4090 being a scam. If you're in the market for a new graphics card, it might be a good option for you. This card promises to improve performance in older cards, and its high price tag has some people concerned it might be a scam. If you're looking for an upgrade, we recommend checking out the RTX 4090 before deciding. However, we recommend that you do your own research before buying the card, just in case. Pros and cons of the RTX 4090. Graphics cards are like a vital part of any gaming rig or computer, and the RTX 4090 is no exception. However, like all graphics cards, it comes with its own set of pros and cons. So now let's move ahead in the video and discuss the main pros and cons of the card in detail so that you can make an informed decision. First and foremost, the RTX 4090 is a powerful graphics card that's perfect for gamers and PC enthusiasts. It offers great performance and graphics quality, making it a great choice for gaming and high-end graphics-intensive tasks. Now coming to cons, the RTX 4090 is a new graphics processor that is set to be released in late 2020. The processor is set to be a step up from the RTX 280. However, some people have concerns about the processor because it's not as powerful as the 2080. Secondly, because it's still in development, it may have issues. Also, there are still some drawbacks. It's expensive and slow to start up. Additionally, the card is incompatible with some older games, so check the compatibility before buying. Overall, the RTX 4090 is a great choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts who are looking for high-performance graphics. Make sure to watch our full review of the card before making your decision. The final verdict on the RTX 4090. There's no doubt that graphics cards are a vital part of any gaming PC. The RTX 4090 is a great choice for gamers and content creators who need high-quality visuals. Overall, it's an excellent graphics card that provides exceptional performance. So, if you're in the market for a powerful graphics card, don't hesitate. The RTX 4090 is a great option to consider. Don't wait, purchase your copy today. Now it's time for the installation process of the RTX 4090. The RTX 4090 is a state-of-the-art security camera that will revolutionize how you monitor your home or business. Installation is a breeze and consumes significantly less energy than other common security camera installations. The RTX 4090 produces stunning, high-quality footage that can be used for various purposes, from recording events to monitoring your property. Overall, the RTX 4090 is a great investment for your home and security needs. Testing and benchmarking of the RTX 4090 cards. RTX 4090 is a powerful graphics card that offers great performance and features. It's been tested and benchmarked to ensure you get the best possible experience while using it. Watch our full review to find out all the details about this card. How to purchase the RTX 4090. The RTX 4090 is a great computer that can be used for a variety of tasks, such as gaming and video editing. It has a lot of features that are perfect for those who need a powerful machine. One way to purchase the RTX 4090 is through an online retailer, such as Amazon or Newegg. Is the RTX 4090 a good graphics card for gaming? The RTX 4090 might not be the perfect graphics card for gaming, but it's a great option for general use. It has a powerful Core i9 processor and supports up to 64 gigabytes of memory, which means you can run many programs simultaneously without any real performance issues. Additionally, the RTX 4090 comes with built-in real-time ray tracing that allows you to create stunning visuals in games like Battlefield 5, Forza Horizon 4, and Marvel's Spider-Man. So if you're looking for a decent graphics card that can do much more than just gaming, the RTX 4090 is a good option. One important topic is whether we can use the RTX 4090 with the current system. Yes, the RTX 4090 can be used with your current system. It is a powerful graphics card that has all the gaming capabilities you need without any hiccups. Additionally, it has the latest gaming capabilities and can handle multiple activities without any problems. So make sure to check its specifications online before buying it so you know for sure it will work with your current setup. If you're looking for a graphics card that can handle even the most demanding gaming scenarios, the RTX 4090 is a great option to consider. Furthermore, the installation process is simple and a 30-day money-back guarantee backs the card. In the end, the RTX 4090 is a great option for gamers and gamer graphic designers alike, so make sure to check out the product page and make your purchase today. That's it for today's video. What do you think of the RTX 4090 card? Let us know in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Studios for more uploads like this.